Ready to rev up your brain with some cool Benelli motorcycle facts? Alright, fact number 1. Benelli started in a small Italian garage over 100 years ago. Yep, it's a classic. Next, did you know Benelli's first bike was actually a single-cylinder two-stroke? Talk about humble beginnings. And here's a fun one. During the 1960s, their iconic Tornado 650S was the bike to beat. It had style, speed, and a sound that made jaws drop. Now let's fast forward to today. Benelli's latest models like the TRK 502 and Leoncino 500 are making waves around the world. They're blending vintage charm with modern tech, the best of both worlds. So the next time you see a Benelli on the road, remember it's not just any motorcycle. It's a piece of history, a symbol of passion, and a whole lot of fun. Keep riding and stay awesome, folks.